Today I'm sharing with you a project, and that is to do with growing pineapples. About 3 years ago, I purchased in the market two, two pineapples and decided that I would try planting the heads of the pineapple. So I took it home, took off the heads, and left it on the kitchen sill, where there was light and some sun coming through. And each week I would pull from it the bottom, but I'll get to that a little later. I planted the heads of these pineapple, sorry, and it grew into a beautiful plant, two plants. And about sometime in February, I looked at it and I thought they were healthy plants. And I looked at it and I wondered if they would ever bear fruit. And but lo and behold, about 2 weeks later, I'm going out and I saw these young fruits. So you imagine my joy at seeing this. Because it is when you do something, when you plant something, or when you do something positive, and the outcome is pleasant and unexpected, it leaves you with a very good feeling. Now, getting back to my pineapples, um, planted in 2012, about March, fast forward to 2015 March, and I would like to share with you the results of that. My beautiful pineapple. Here they are. There they are. They're beautiful. So I saw after 3 months, exactly 3 months, I noticed that the stem on which they grew, it was about, I would say, about 2 feet long, and they were pineapples were bowing to the point where they were actually touching the ground. So I decided, okay, looking at them, they looked as though they were changing color from green to sort of gold. And so I took them off, and the result is the two pineapples. Now, this is the head of the pineapple. I take off the head, and what I do after it's sitting on the windowsill for about a week, I remove these little petals at the bottom here. See? I remove those. You see how easily they pull? So when they become difficult to pull, what you do is that you just put it back on the sill for another week or a couple of days, and then you pull again until this section, about an inch of this section is exposed, about an inch here is exposed. See that? Right? And then with that exposure, you see like a small stem, and that is where the roots come from. So that's what I put in the soil. Now, this is the thing is you can do this. You can do this by planting it in a pot if you have a big pot. You can do the same thing. Now, I had no idea that it would take as long as 3 years. It is very possible that there are some alternative means that will allow pineapple to be produced much quicker than this, but this is natural or natural. So, and the thing is, with pineapple, it's very healthy. Um, and so, what happens is that when you slice the pineapple, or you cut it, whichever way you cut it, we usually take out the middle of the pineapple, this section here, and throw it away. No, I never used to do that. You see, especially when you're making a fruit salad, people take out the center of it and they throw it away. Now, I never used to do that. It's a little bit hard, but I used to enjoy chewing it, not knowing the benefits at the time. Now, the center from the center is extracted um, uh, um, something called bromelain. Bromelain. It produces bromelain, Bromelin. And this bromelain is used in treating joint pains and and inflammatory conditions. So you see, while we're not aware of the benefits of some of these things that we just choose to just throw out. So if you do that, then stop, because you're throwing away good stuff, and it is of benefit to your health. So now the thing is with bromelain, um, there is a supplement that's, I think it is spelled Bromelain, that is produced from on a for pharmaceutical level from this pineapple. So, but it's different, um, obviously, from the one that you eat from the pineapple. So now you know. But the thing is, you can also plant the pineapple in a big pot. Did I say that before?